these screws don't feel right. I have a fine threaded screw, so this must be okay. But for some reason it feels like cross-threaded screws, some of them, and others feel okay. So I have this one left. Let's see. This one. No. I can just pull it out. That's not good. It's not good. So I will put on another screw in there. I think I have something here. My spare part box. Could be one. I think I must have one like that. Let's see. It's about the same thread. Let's also go around. So it's not good. It's not good. So we'll try something else then. That's better. Okay. So I think Gary will hate me for doing this because I put a silver screw instead of a black screw in, but that's the only one that will fit. Sorry about that, Gary, when you ever see this video. So that's it. The motherboard is mounted. It looks solid, it feels solid. And then we can attach a few fans and so on. This is a case fan. And we can have my light here. Sys fan, I think. Yeah. I think I can put that on. I'm afraid I don't have the pliers that Gary has, but I have a few smaller ones. Almost. Yeah. No. Yeah, I thought I had it. Instead of that, my plier slipped. Let's see. Now we are in business. So, put the wires to the side. So, now it's time to unpack the power supply, I guess. So, I think I end this video here and I start a new one, because I have no idea how it will look, and I'm going to check it first, and maybe I can make some improvements. So that's a good possibility. So I would say to you all, thanks for watching, and until the next one. Bye for now.